Hello, welcome to another video, and this video is a bit different from the usual working on the wagon. I've got an MX5 to do some work on, and it's a really nice one, so I thought I'd do a video on it because I thought it'd be interesting. So there's genuine, really nice little MX5. She's suffering from the usual MX5 things of a bit scabby around the arches there. On the driver's side, rear sill. So the customer supplied us with some repair panels, good quality ones. This is a full rear arch and rear quarter. I don't need a full rear quarter, but I'm going to use bits of it. The offside rear outer sill, and it's a really nice quality thing. Look how thick that is. So I'm going to be putting this on and cutting up this and repairing that, and then we're going to be repairing and refinishing it. Got the thing cleaned off. You can see the little hole there. But there. Yeah, we're just going to take these spots off and see what we've got to work with. I'm going to cut little bits out at a time, see how far I go, instead of cutting big out. Spot wheel drill, let's crack on, get these drilled, dude. So this is a prime example of why, when we say we're doing welding repairs, you can't price the job you give a starting figure, because you never know what's underneath. And this is the prime example of how clean this was, and that's how dirty it is under there. Now actually, for one of these, it's actually really good. I'll clean it off, make sure it's solid, and I'll treat it. Sometimes you pull them off and all this is rotten and it's nowhere to be seen. So this is why we say, when we're given estimates for doing welding jobs, it's a starting figure. We don't know until we get stuck into it, and we just have to keep in contact with you if we do find stuff. So as you can see, I've cleaned it off, I've treated it, and I've sprayed it down with some copper-based weld-through primer. If I was organised, hold on, repeat that moment. Now pretend that bit didn't happen. Now, here's one I prepared earlier. So this is going to go, this needs to be chopped up, so this is going to go on there like that. I'm just going to cut this up to the right shape and size, and then weld that into there. And because I haven't had to come all the way up here, hopefully we don't have to get involved with repairing and painting the support of the quarter panel or going into the door. I forgot to record welding it and grind it off. It was just too busy, I was in the zone. Away we go. Not the prettiest job in the world, but it's pretty damn good. I'm quite happy with that. Gonna fill it now, just make it smooth. I'm gonna seam seal this edge up so any water ingress gets in there. I'll seam seal it along the bottom. It's been seam welded along here and plugged, ready to finish now. So the progress is coming on well. I have filled it, made it nice and smooth, right shape, so it looks nice. I've seam sealed this edge up, so it's all nice and seam sealed along the bottom. Left the drain holes, so what moisture can drain out if any moisture does get in, which it shouldn't, but it always does, because nothing's ever fully watertight. I've masked it up, and I'm going to stone chip this bit now. You'll never know it's been done, which is the way it should be done. If you can tell it's been done wrong. She's done there. This side's all done and dusted. So I've got the stone chip on. It's looking lovely. It's still drying because it's low temperatures at the minute. Low temperatures, like still temperatures at the minute, so it's not drying very well. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the heat gun on it gently when I'm working on the other side. So yeah, hopefully that will be dried out and looking lovely. I'm happy with that. Time to get on the other side. So this side is the side which has got the blistery arch. So what I've got is me non-woven preparation wheel. I always call them wrong, but gonna get this on the grinder, dig this out, see what's in there. I'm pleased I'm digging that out because I just put a big mark in that. You'd be upset if you did that in the meeting, wouldn't you? Shows how good they are. So yeah, I'm gonna dig that out, see what I've got to work with, and then I'll be chopping that one and that one to make one good one on the car. Probably end up painting this side, to be honest. I think I'm gonna paint this door anyway. The door's a different colour. It's been repaired before. I'll dig the splodge hoops that's in there now and see what I've got to work with. So I just started digging it out, and you can see lots of filler and fiberglass. Questionable. So let's get stuck into it. Have they like just welded a hole up with a weld and that's it? I don't know. Let's dig it a little bit, see what we've got. 2 seconds. So it was actually better than I thought, but also just as bad as I thought. So I got this bit here, which is horrible. Needs repaired. It's been repaired before, you can see the weld. The rest of the wheel arch seems pretty good. I'm going to go down here a little bit. Make sure it's down alright down here. But you can see all the spot welds and stuff in it, so I'm quite happy with it. It's pretty good actually. Pretty good indeed. I've got the bottom piece off. What it seems to be is there's a little hole here and they literally just welded the gap up. Little hole up. So that's been fixed, and I can use this piece as a little template to use as that piece. Hopefully I can go off where the line is, because I use reference points and stuff. Fingers crossed, it goes quite well. So I've cut this out of the new panel, so I'm going to be welding this in. It's just, I marked it out, I've got it in the right place, it fits nice. I've put weld through primer on all of it. I've just got a bit of fluff stuck in there from the dot sander. It'll burn out, but it would just make a bit of a mess of the weld. So now I'm just going to weld this in, make sure it's nice and solid. It's all welded in, ready to be filled and repaired. Managed to keep the warping to a minimum. It is a little bit low, but with this kind of stuff you always need to put some sort of filler in. Once this is filled up I can repair this, we'll prime this, and we'll end up painting the quarter panel and this door, keep the colour right. I think we have to paint this door anyway, because I'm pretty sure this door is a different colour to the wing. So I'm ready to repair it. But it's all repaired, nice to shape. So obviously it was only this little bit I cut out, but the repairs always get them right shape. And also there's a dent here. To get them right shape, you always end up going on much bigger on the repair. So now I've got to get some primer on it. So you might have seen us there, just done some pinholing, and also I wasn't quite happy with the shape of this here. It was just that little bit out, so what I've done is I've filled it up, and once I get that flattened off, I'll prime it as well. I'm also going to stone chip this, because it's originally stone chipped, and I'm going to stone chip the wheel arch. So I've had a big step forward. I forgot to record. Sorry. But don't worry, nothing massive's happened. So repairs are all done, which is all stone chipped. I have masked it all up. It's obviously in the oven now, getting warm. Well, it's prepped, I'm prepped. Let's get some paint squirted on. Got the old gun ready. The side's being painted, the wheel arch is repaired and painted. I've actually waxed in the back of the wheel arches. I've also waxed inside and cavity waxed it. I'll give her a rinse off and a sponge off because she was a bit dusty. She's all done and dusted. She's looking absolutely mint. So now, I just got to ring and let the customer know that his car was ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and come along for more fixing stuff, painting stuff, stuff like that. And I hope to see you all soon. Ta-ra for now.